EAS is coming for Marshall and Woodford. It's coming.
Damage to.
I'll keep it off so that. Severe thunderstorm watch. Wow, that's coming. That's for Chicago's forecast area.
Valley, San Jose.
Here we go. $70 miles an hour wind. Yeah, that's been happening. Wow.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Woodford County, southeastern Marshall County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Washburn, or 11 miles north of Eureka, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Metamora, Minunk, Toluca, Washburn, Winona, Garna, Cazenovia, Larrows, Roll Point, and Pattonsburg. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 26 and 41. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central Illinois. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued